Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Start at Contacts. Google, com in a desktop browser. Once there, make sure you're using the exact Google account that lost contacts. If Google asks, complete any two-step verification or recovery checks so you don't get locked out mid-restore. Now click the main menu, 3 horizontal lines, to reveal options. This step places you directly in the right account and interface, so the restoration controls become available immediately without trial and error. Once in the menu, select Settings, then undo changes to access Google's built-in rollback. You'll see preset windows, 10 minutes, 1 hour, yesterday, 1 week, or pick a custom time up to 30 days. This decides which deleted entries come back. Choose a point before the deletion event, then confirm. Make sure you select the correct account scope, restore for the whole account rather than a single device, so recovered contacts sync to all your devices. This is how Google reconstructs the contact state from its backups. After confirming the restore, refresh the page and wait for sync to propagate to your phone and other devices. This can take a few minutes. If some entries are still missing, open Trash in the left menu. Items remain there for 30 days and can be restored individually. If the deletion was older than 30 days or the account lacks a rollback point, use Account Recovery or retrieve from any exports or backups you previously made. One key tip: avoid adding or deleting many contacts until you confirm the restore succeeded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.